This program is brought to you by TheraSil. Kati sa lalamunan, itirasil mo yan. Ang masarap na gamot para sa sakit sa lalamunan. TheraSil.
Today, we'll be showing you the second part of the CELJ Sports Philippine National Motocross Series, dubbed as the 2009 Governor Kali Dimapuro National Motocross Championships, held last December 12 and 13 in Tubud, Lanao del Norte. The thrills and excitement of the biggest national motocross of the CELJ Sports Motocross Series last year. It was a heartbreaking defeat for the country's #1 motocross rider, Glenn Aguilar, during the last leg of the CELJ Sports Motocross Series. Glenn Aguilar, the front runner of the Pro Lights and Pro Open division during the first seat of the 2009 Governor Kali Dimapuro Motocross Championship in Tubud, Lanao del Norte. But an accident ceased Aguilar from winning the overall championship crown.
This program is brought to you by TheraSil. Kati sa lalamunan, itirasil mo yan. Ang masarap na gamot para sa sakit sa lalamunan. TheraSil. This portion is brought to you by MS Motosuit, manufacturer of quality motorcycle seat covers.
This is the Executive A category. We have sent-out riders coming from all over the country competing in the national event here in Tubud, Lanao del Norte, the 2009 Governor Kali Dimapuro Motocross National Championship. Riders who came over are Hermes Mantok from Metro Manila, Erwin Lacmed from Dumaguete City, the younger brother of the CELJ Sports big boss Jay Lacmed. We have Sigrid Ornopia, the Executive A champion from Cebu City, and June Enriquez of Big Cat Racing with teammates Rosel Gonob and Noli Room. We also have Tote Alberto, the Access Plus owner, joining this Executive A national race here in Tubud.
Exciting itong,
yes.
Exciting itong Executive A category. Parang 35 up na yung mga edad nila.
Yes, executive riders has to be 35 over. So ito actually is karera ng mga matatanda.
Matatanda.
Yes.
Pero may nakilala ko, matanda na, pero may edad na rin. Pero hindi matanda, may edad na, pero nasa pro pa rin.
Yes.
Paano ba yan? Ano ba yan?
Si ano yan? Kilala mo yan? Kaibigan ko rin yung sinasabi mo. Pero dito makikita mo rin yan, these are above 40 years old, 35 and 40 years old riders. Pero makita mo, no? Okay. How they perform, para silang mga 18 years old din. Nagagawa din nila kung ano yung mga nagagawa ng mga 18-year-old
Kahapon
riders.
nakikita ko kahapon sa first seat, si Hermes Mantok, yung nanalo. At pumangalawa kanina sa kanya, si Erwin Lacmed.
Eto si Erwin kahapon, on the first race, iniwan niya lahat. iniwan niya lahat ng mga riders dahil he had a very good day yesterday. Pero ngayon, I don't know bakit nasa likod siya. So maybe it's not his day ngayon.
Pero
Araw kasi karera eh.
Pero nagbibida din kahapon si Freddy Ramos. Siya yung paghuli kasi natumba yung motor niya pagka dyan pa sa starting gate.
Yes, oo. Ay puti kasi yung karera. They have a concrete start dito. Eto ngayon, this is Dexter Bacabak from Iloilo City.
Malakas din itong bata.
On his last lap. One more lap to go, followed by Sigrid
Sigrid
Onopia.
Onopia.
So, we have riders from Iloilo, we have riders from Cebu, Manila, Dumaguete. So, lahat ng mga riders sa Pilipinas, Ramel, is nandito ngayon actually.
So ito yung mga tinatawag nito mga veteran riders.
Yes, these are the veteran riders, 35 years old and above riders. Checkered flag for Dexter Bacabak, followed by Executive A champion dito sa Cebu, Sigfred Ornopia on a second placer, checkered flag. And third placer is Hermes Manto. So, ito yung Executive A category for the Governor Khalid Dimapuro National Motocross Championship dito sa Tubod, Lanao del Norte.
Okay, this is the intermediate category. At present, they are the top contenders na nanggagaling sa iba't ibang rehiyon dito sa ating bansa. Vying for the national championship crown. The 15 second mark was already up, and then this is the last and final hit for this category. We have the Ted Conde from Osame City, the Devil from Davao City, Ruel Abonok Mangusong, Timoy Pinida of the Lanao Racing Team o Lanao del Norte Racing Team. We have Wing and Ambo Iaparcon of CG Sports, Wilson Pomorca of Dumaguete City, Jacob Ray Estela, Noyni Abraham, and the Joker, Jimmy Bacabak, intermediate rider din pala ito si Bacabak, Michael Disbaro, Clark Wagas from Liluan, Cebu, and of course, my partner, Mr. Pipo Ruby, yung number 5, magaling na rider ito sa Quick Flight Racing from Cebu. So, katabi natin ngayon si Pipo. Sir, Pipo, ano bang intermediate riders to? Mga bata yung mga katunggalin mo diyan. Pero, nakikita ko parang nahihirapan din sila sa iyo. Anong klaseng race track ito na dito sa Lanao del Norte?
Yes, Ramil. Ito yung sinasabi nila motocross race track. It's a natural terrain. Well, the